All right, I'm banging on about it, but one more look at this. It looks awesome now that it's finished. Like, look at all that chrome just popping in there. It just looks great. All right, I'm just having a little fiddle with the Fairlane, and just something that I'll show you is these molds here. See how it's chrome? That's all chrome, and then it's black, and that should be chrome. But you can see the chrome's gone dull all along there. See how that's actually chrome mold, and that's right. But this molding goes dull. So what I've done, I've been trying to work out what I can do, and I saw a post on Facebook or somewhere, and someone used some chrome tape, but it was like 48mm thick. Done some searching around, and you can get 12mm. I measured, I need 12mm, 12mm pinstripe, and I've got chrome. And check this out. Look how it looks over here. This is one that I've done. How awesome does that look? And it doesn't look, on the camera, it doesn't look a little bit brighter. There's a little bit of, like, if you look at it, you can see, well, if you look hard enough, you can see there's a little bit of bump and stuff like that. And it's, but I mean, for a car that's a street car going to Cars and Coffees, I'm not talking concourse condition here. I'm just trying to push this tape in a little bit more, which it is. You can see the difference, and it looks fantastic actually. I'm just like, it looks pretty good there, as you can see. So I'm going to go and do the other side, because the rest of this car here, along this edge, the two doors and the panel are really good. So it's just this driver's guard, and the passenger side needs to be done. So I'm just going to go do that now, quickly. And I'm going to do the passenger, and then maybe tomorrow or later on I'll do the rest of the car. So it's a project that I can sort of do bit by bit. It's not, and it's going to make the car look really good. Like, it's going to make it pop that little bit more. So as you can see, it looks good now, but imagine that all being chrome and shiny. So I reckon that's going to look really, really good. All right. First of all, I measure it out and then cut what I need to cut. I'll go a bit longer than what we need, just to make it. Cut it there. Definitely don't want to make this. Normally I don't put scissors and stuff on the cars, but the paint job on this, come on, it's not, like I said, it's not a concourse car, but she just looks good. So, all right, the hardest part is getting this started and getting in the right spot, as we can see. I think. No, I'll come down a little bit more. Getting it started is the hardest part. There we go, I think. Oh, how'd it go? I'm doing. Have a look at that. Look how much better that looks compared to what it was before. And then that's the dull grey, and that's the chrome finish that we've got on it now. See? It's only when you look at it really close there's a bit of imperfection here and there, but like I said, this is perfect for a car. Like, you stand back and that just pops out now. That is cost me $12 for this repair, so I reckon it's fantastic. So I'm just going to push the bike out. I'm going to do the rest of the car tonight, and just simple little mods. I'm really happy with that. Look at that. Look how shiny that is. That is going to look so good driving down the street. That is going to look so good. I just did the passenger door. Look at the difference. So that's the rear passenger door and the rear guard coming along, and then bam, look at that reflection, man. She's just, you can just see the difference between the two of them. How good does that look? Oh, a little bit of a warpage there. Oh, there we go. Just got that air bubble out, so we're good to go. Just doing a few little things, but the difference between the two of them, look at the light picking it up. Dull grey, chrome reflection. Just pops it back into the future. It literally makes the car look like it's been restored. Just bang. All right, I'll carry on. All right, I'm banging on about it, but one more look at this. It looks awesome now that it's finished. Like, look at all that chrome just popping in there. It just looks great. Look at it. That looks fantastic. And even just looking down the car now, it just pops. Looks really, really nice.